Hey everyone, Shabear 1000 here. If you didn't see my last video, we're going to be replacing this switch. It's fine, but we're going to be replacing it with this smart dimmer Wi-Fi. And yeah, that's what we're going to do. I'll show you how I'm going to do it. I made that lamp. Okay, I'm going to try not to get in your way too bad here. Just unclip those 4 clips here. And take this plate off. I'll keep the switch because there's nothing wrong with it. Use it somewhere sometime, you know. There we go. Now, I'm going to remove the switch. In case you forget, that says turn off power. I've done it before. Shut the wrong breaker off. So we're going to get this pulled out here. Just giggles. Okay, we're good. Now, down here. What's this for? Alright, yeah, that's right. Didn't need this one on here. So let's go ahead and unhook this. Unhook this. And ground wire. Here. And there's that switch. Now I'm going to get the new switch. I'm going to read up on it, and then we'll get it installed in here. Okay guys, so what's cool about this thing is it comes with, I know it's hard to see, 3 different colors. You got white, you got like an off-white, and you got more of a tan. So I picked the one that fits my cover the best. Real simple. You've got your hot wire, which is going to be this one. You've got your white wire, which is this. I know this is black, but it's coming off the white. That's the only piece I had. This is your 3-way. So like if you're running one at the bottom of a step and one at the top of a step, but since this is just single use, we won't be using that one. This is your load. This is the one that's going to go to the light, which is up here, and then down here at the bottom's the ground, which is green. So let's go ahead. We're going to hook this up. Got our green one in here, which is our ground. And I forgot to tell you, like on the receptacle, the gold one, like you'll have gold on one side and silver on the other side of your receptacle, your outlet. The gold one is always going to be your your hot wire. So this is our hot going in here. In this case it's black. It's because it's just a little different setup, but the receptacles, just remember that your gold's always your hot, and it's usually on the right side. unless you flip it upside down. Okay, there's our hot one. There's our load. Our 3-way, we're not going to be using it. And it's got a sticker on there for 3-way only. So I'm just going to tighten this down. Alright, now our white wire is going to go in here. I know it's black, but like I said, it's the only piece I had. Well, I mean, I've got some, but it's out in the camper, and I don't want to raise the camper up just to get that 4-inch piece of wire there. Okay, now our load, which is going to go over here. On this side, like I said, that's the one that goes up to the light. Just like that. Now the fun part is always trying to get these things up in here out of the way. Let's see. Okay. Where's my... Hang on, I gotta find my pliers. Okay. Look at these wires up in there. There we go. Oh yeah, now we're in there. We're in there like last year's swimwear. I think. Let's give it another little push here. Alright. Now, see if we can get this started, and it should pull itself in there. Helps once you get started into the threads. I did download an app for this, and then we'll hook it up. I'll set it for Alexa.
Sorry, I didn't get that. The internet isn't reachable.
I know, I got it shut off, that's why. Because I got the power off into the bedroom, and that's where our internet's at. Let me make sure that's going to cover. Yeah, that'll cover that. Alright. Now, we got to put this on. Just a couple little Phillips screws here. They don't have to be super duper tight, guys, because you'll crack the plastic. I know, because I've done it, especially reusing older ones. Then this just clips in those 4 clips there. And there it is. There's the dimmer. There's the power. Okay, now I'm going to go out and flip the light on, or flip the breaker, and let's make sure it works. Okay, we'll flip the switch on. There it is. Let's dim it. And it's dimming. And turn it off. Okay, turn it off. There we go. Okay, so that works. Works nice. Got a red light blinking there. I don't know if you can see it. A little light blinking. It's looking for internet connection. And it gives you how high and how low your light setting is. Alright, we'll shut this off for now. Now I'm gonna get it hooked up to what's her name over there, and to my app, and then we'll try it out. So let me get that. I've already got the app downloaded. There it is. And then I got to go on to her app and add this device. So let me get that taken care of. Okay guys, so got it hooked up and going to get it to hook up to the Echo Dot over there. You can't add that device. I've been working on this for a long time. I forgot the other one. The same way, you can't add it through the Echo Dot app. You got to add it through the app for that. You just link it, and it links up in, I don't know, 30 seconds, and you're ready to go. But here's the name I put on it. Laura's Cottage. Because we was inside joke. Anyway, so let's turn this. I got it labeled as hallway light. Let's turn that on. On. And there it is. And then right here, we can dim it. I don't know what you're trying to get the light in there, where we can raise it up, make it brighter, or we can turn it off just like that. Or we can say, Alexa, turn the hallway.
Hallway light is not responding.
Okay guys, I don't know what that was all about, but Alexa, turn the hallway light on.
Okay.
There we go. Alexa, turn the hallway light on 30%.
Okay.
There we go. And we also have one in the bedroom. Echo, turn the hallway light on 100%. I don't think you heard me. Echo, turn the hallway light on 100%. There it is. Alexa, turn the hallway light off.
Okay.
Okay, so there we go guys. So we brought the Christmas tree in. We always like to leave it set up so the branches will come down. Then I'll trim it, what needs to be trimmed, and then we're going to put train set. I want to run a train set around that, so that should be fun. So tomorrow I'm going to get what I can get done outside on our decorations, and a friend of mine wants me to check out a boat of his. If I can get this boat running, he'll give me another boat, a 60 horsepower Evinrude center console boat, motor and trailer. It's got a go-kart I'd like to have, but I don't know if it'll come off of it, but we'll see. Anyway, so anyway guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Yeah. Excuse me. But yeah, I just all I did on that was I don't know what happened to it. I don't know why I did that, but I just factory reset it, and I had to do that on that other light switch for the kitchen lights one time. For some reason it did the same thing. I don't know, but anyway, it's working fine now. And anywhere on the planet, as long as my phone's got service, I can turn that light on and off I can unlock the front door, lock it. I can do the same thing with the kitchen lights. So anyway, guys, again, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Shea Bear, the Myth, the Man, Legend. I'm gone for now. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye, everyone. Take care. Stay safe. Enjoy yourselves.